and Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Shelby County, southern Jefferson County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hueytown,
Whoa,
moving southeast
that
at
lightning.
30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage
Oh
to
my
vehicles
gosh.
is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
There's the thunder going on.
Locations impacted include southwestern Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Alabaster, Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Helena, Hueytown, Fairfield, Chelsea, Columbiana, Pleasant Grove, Midfield, Adamsville,
Holy cow.
Brighton, Indian Springs Village, Lipscomb,
Whoa.
Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Shelby,